Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download YouTube Music app on your phone. Now, this is actually dependent on the kind of phone that you use. Let's say, for example, you use Android like I do. This is how, or this is where you can download the app from Google Play Store. Now, if you're using an iPhone, then you have to open up the Apple Store. But if you're using an Android phone, like I'm using, you then have to open your Play Store. So go ahead and click on Play Store, and Play Store is going to be launched. And once it's launched, I'm going to show you what next to do. So from the search bar in the Play Store app, go ahead and click on the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type YouTube Music. So this is YouTube Music. Now click on YouTube Music and wait for the next set of on-screen instructions. So here you go. Now right here you have the option that says YouTube Music, and just right next to it, it has open. Now the option of open is made available because I have already installed and downloaded this application. But if you have not installed the app on your phone, this blue button is going to be labeled install. All right, so what you need to do is to click on the install button, which is now open. So once you click on the install button, you're gonna have to wait a couple of seconds for the app to install. And once you wait for it to be installed, you're going to see this notification that says installed, and you're going to see that the blue button will be changed to open. So you go ahead and click on open, and that's going to walk you right into the YouTube Music app itself. So once you get into the application, the first thing is going to take you right to the sign up page. So go ahead and sign up or log in if you already have an existing account. So that's pretty much it. Of course, YouTube is integrated into your Google account, so it's pretty much easier for you to sign in. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.